Hello guys, today I am going to explain you one of the most important concept in Elasticsearch, which is called index management. So if you are doing the Elasticsearch many times, or if you are working with the Elasticsearch, you observe that in the Elasticsearch when you integrate any logs via FileBit or via Elastic Agent, all logs come under indices. So indices is something which is, you can consider indices as a store unit for your database. In the SQL we have the store unit is like table. So in Elasticsearch we have the store unit is indices. You can consider in that way. So in Elasticsearch all the logs are come under the indices, but before coming to the indices they are coming from the data stream, index template and other operations. So I am going to explain you one by one approach, why this tab is important, why their importance in the index management, and how we can use them and how we can utilize them to make our automation. So right now I have the indices. I have list of all indices which are present in my system. So I am searching for the CloudTrail. So you can see that I don't have any indices in the CloudTrail, but if I turn on the include hidden indices button, this will give me the two indices which are present in my system. So if you observe that one indices is from the, you can see the date here, date is created, or this indices is created on 7 January, and another indices is far more earlier. So because this indices has some life cycle policy attached and these are in the other stages, so that's why it's not moving. But right now I have these indices which are in use. So right now we can see that all my logs are coming under the CloudTrail indices. But before that, if I go to the data stream and I search here the CloudTrail, so what happened when you do any integration via Elastic agents? So at that time logs are started coming to your discover, and when Elastic agent go to your server, take the log, and in the data stream you mention everything, right? You can see that data stream is something like which type of log is this log is belong to the Cloudflare. So Elasticsearch already know that what kind of data Cloudflare will share. So Elasticsearch reframe their data stream in such a way that it can accept the CloudTrail data. So right now I have one data stream. This data stream is automatically created by Elasticsearch. When you do any integrations, if you go to the integrations tab and you are like doing any integrations, so automatically data stream is created because you are not creating any custom integration. You are just utilizing the system built integration. So that's why data stream already created for your integration. Once you integrated the log, data stream will be activated and showing in your list. If so right now you can see that I have the CloudTrail log which are coming to my discover. So that's why I have data stream which are created by Elasticsearch, which is called CloudTrail, AWS CloudTrail default. So this is the data stream, right? You understand that data stream is for accepting the data. It's something, it's a template of the log, we can say template of the log of the data. Now data stream is very important because in data stream all the indices is created. Data stream is first we have the data stream, then we have the indices. So indices is something which is the byproduct of the data stream. So data stream is something like we are like taking the logs and dumping into the table. In the format of SQL you can consider data stream as a table of your in the SQL management thing. In the Elasticsearch we have data streams. So right now we have data stream here. So you can see that all my logs coming under this template, and this template will create my indices. So now we have the index template. So index template, if I search for here the CloudTrail, this index template is automatically created by Elasticsearch. So my CloudTrail index template is created and it has some data or some settings. So this template is managed by the Elasticsearch. If you update or if you edit this template, then you are like and when if you edit this template and put your lifecycle policy inside that template, you can do that. It will start the new indices will start accepting that lifecycle policy. But one thing is that when you update that integration, so our lifecycle policy or all the changes which are present in this index management template, which is wipe out. So you don't need to, you you should not change this lifecycle policy because it's managed by Elasticsearch, and you can add the custom setting inside that index management template. So that's why it's very important, because when you are creating or when you are implementing the logs, this template is also created by the Elasticsearch. So Elasticsearch suggests you don't update this template. If you want to update this, I can see you how we can add the custom setting in your index template. So if I go to the component template, so here we have the number of template. So this template is also component template, and index template is also created by the Elasticsearch. Right now I have two component template, AWS CloudTrail @custom and @package1. So what happened in the data stream, I click on this data stream and search for the CloudTrail. If I open this, you can see that I have template, index template, which is called log AWS CloudTrail. If I click on this, then if it's open it, right? So once our index template will open, you can see here inside the index template we have component template attached. So in the component template you can see that I have two component template which I see earlier. Right now we have like two component template, you can see that, and now we have the component template. Means the workflow is something like, on the first step we have the component template, then on the second step we have the index template, then the third step we have the data stream, on the fourth step we have the indices. So if you want to apply your custom setting, how you can do that? You can't edit the data stream, you can't edit the component template, but you can edit the you can't edit the index template, but you can edit the component template. So now if I search here the CloudTrail, you can see that two type of template which are present. One is managed template and one is custom template. So you can't edit, or you can change the package one, but if you change the package one and new version is updated, then your all data will be wiped out. So you should always add your custom setting in your custom template. So custom template is made for the customers, so if you want to add the lifecycle policy, you can add inside this setting here, but don't make changes in your like template, index template or data stream. Only make your custom setting or add your custom setting inside your component template under the custom data classes. So I will sum up this in a minute. How we can do that? We have on the top we have component template, then we have index template, and we have data stream, and then we have the indices. So indices is made up of from the data stream first, but data stream is made up of contain some index template contains some component template. So if you want to apply a custom setting, you can apply only on the custom template, component template inside the custom data classes. Actually means I did lots of changes in the index template, and after doing lots of research and losing all my data, I realized that if you do index template and update my Elastic agent will update, this will be the disaster for me, because all my settings, all my custom settings will be wiped out and our data will be lost, and Elasticsearch is no way to get our data back. So always keep in mind, always use the component template for your custom settings, and don't edit index template and data stream for the managed by the Elasticsearch, which contain the manage attribute. Don't edit that. So let me like explain you how this works, how actually the cycle works for the Elasticsearch. So here like so here you can see that I have one component template. Now you can see that I have one index template, and then I have the data classes, or we can say stream. So and then I have like indices. So now we can say index. So now what happened when when the integration happen for the Elastic agent integration, we can say agent integration. Now what happened in that case, once you do the Elastic agent integration, it will create the component template first, which contain package and custom attributes. two component template, one is for package and one is for custom. Then it will automatically get your index template. Now index template will create your data class. So that's why you see that inside the data class we have the index template, and inside the index template we have the component template. And now this data class will helpful for creating the indices, and indices is helpful for storing your log or managing your log. So if you want to apply the lifecycle policy, you can apply it. I just make here lifecycle policy for indices. You can apply it using the component template custom attribute. You no need to apply via index template and via data classes. Some people say I will apply it via index template, but you can apply it and changes will be applied as well. But if you update this elastic agent, then again elastic agent will wipe out, will come to the component template, update their setting, update their index template, and update their data classes, and in that way update their indices as well. So your all the data which are present here, which is wipe out. So you should update the @custom template. So that's the index management lifecycle works. That's how I explain you, and I understand this about the index lifecycle management policy. So yeah, that's pretty much for this video. Thank you so much.